Hello, my name is Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. Welcome to my channel.
Okay, hello, Bearable Traders. My name is Paris and I am with Brian. We are doing the recap for today. We had a fantastic day in the chat room. I personally had three trades, three winners on the day. I traded Google, I traded the what did I else trade? I traded Google and
And Snap.
Microsoft. I traded Microsoft and I traded Snap. I'm also in Microsoft and I'm in Snap right now. So we'll share on what I did, what was the thesis. So at the open, I was biased on the short side just because on how Microsoft traded on Friday. If you look at on a Friday price action, it held the 408s right here all day, and in the last final hour, it just flushed below 408 and was actually consolidating at a 406. So so the idea was that there's a very clear relative weakness, short either the 408s or 406 to be able to capture the bottom or to short it until 400. So that was the initial plan. And exactly, that's exactly what happened. So before the market opened, Microsoft rejected the 406 very nicely and then flushed completely below to 400s, below 400s. And I'm still holding my position, just the final 5% of my initial position for maybe swing it below 400. And secondly, I traded Google. Google was very interested, very similar price action as Microsoft, and I was short biased on it. It did try to pop up, did not continue on the upside. That's the indication that it's actually going to be short. And I shorted at the 169s, scaled out close to 167. I added more pretty much aggressively at the 168.75 area, but I kept adding. I was looking for the another break of low of the day, but I stopped out at break even. So that was a trade on Google. And I am currently in a trade on Snap, and I'm looking for the break of 15s. So I'm already, this was a continuation of what we call in the chart room as ABCD patterns. It popped up, and then A, B, this is the C area. You're looking for the break of high and looking for the break of 15s. I went long at 1470, added. I'm looking for the break of 15 still. But three trades, three profitable ones, very clean trades on the day. So how about you, Brian? How was your trading day?
Yeah, no, it was good. I shorted Tesla at the open, and then I well, no, actually, wait a second here. Yeah, I was just watching Tesla at the open because I knew it was obviously in play, just because of the news about Elon Musk's visit to China and talking about his the self-driving cars. So yeah, so I was just watching it. It sold off at the open, but I was watching it kind of bottomed and then took it to the long to the upside and got a really nice move on it. And then it kind of rolled over and I shorted it. So got two really good trades on Tesla. So
Amazing.
yeah,
Yeah,
that
I
was
remember you trading literally exactly at 186 and capturing that big move to
yeah,
the 190s, and then you flipping your position to
yeah.
188.50s and then shorting it, and then you getting, I think, stopped out at break even.
Yeah. But yeah, I was just watching it as it dropped. After it dropped for a while, just kept holding at sort of 185.50 area. So kind of felt it was opportunity. It was gonna pop back up there after some profit taking. So yeah, that
Awesome.
was it.
Awesome. Yeah.
Just need two good trades, and you're good to go.
Awesome. Amazing trading, Brian. I heard you in the chat room as well on guiding and reviewing it in a real time. So great, great stuff right there. And of course, we had a great trades from the chat room, folks in the member who are trading live with us, and some great moves with multiple catalysts in play on separate stocks. So yeah, Thank you, Brian, and thanks, Variable Traders.
you.
Keep it green, guys. Have a great rest of the day.
Yep. Have a good day.